Welcome to Manotick StringWorks. Please remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more video content. Hey there, welcome back to Manotick StringWorks. Well, here's another edition of What's in the Box. I thought it'd be fun to do this again. Here we go. Alright, so this box came from Solo Music in Toronto. I ordered some things I needed for the shop here, and let's open that up. I like Solo Music in Toronto. I've bought several guitar and bass kits from them over the years, and their parts, fortunately they're in Toronto. They're not here in Ottawa, so it'd be nice if they had a store here too. But you can order everything online from them, of course. And I'll leave a link in the description below. Alright, so I did get into this box to pull out a set of strings, Ernie Ball strings that I bought. I needed to restring my bass, my personal bass, but let's see what we have here. So, Fender genuine parts. These are string guides for a Strat or a Tele. I always need these hanging around because I see way too many guitars come in here that either don't have string guides or need another one because of the angle on the neck, especially older Squires and some old Strats too, but it's always nice to have some genuine Fender parts laying around, right? Alright, let's put those down here. And I did reach into the box too to get this out the other day. This is Dave's Lubrikit friction remover. So basically a nut and bridge lubricant. It's really cool. So Lubrikit, it's called. It's like a gel grease, I guess, right? So it comes in this little syringe and has a little tip. And you might think, well, that's not a lot. But you know what? This will go a long way because you're only putting a tiny dab. And they have these nice little applicators. So you just put a little bit on the end. So there's a slim or skinny one and a little wider one. And you can get right in the nut slots or on your saddles on the bridge. So this is really cool. I'm going to use this, try this out pretty much on every guitar going forward here. Certainly on the nut. And if there's a trem system or a vibrato, definitely going to use this lubrication here. So yeah, we'll give this a try. So Dave Lubrikit friction remover. Put that over here. Now we have another box, a box in a box. Trying to remember what this is. I think it was a bit of an add-on to the order to get free shipping, you know? I think, am I the only one who does that? I don't think so. Oh, this piece of tape here. Ah, there we go. Oh yeah, okay. So, I saw these and I thought they were pretty cool. Ah! I knew that was going to happen. Alright, so these plastic razor blades I thought were kind of cool because you can use them for scraping away glue buildup. You're not going to cut anything, of course, because there is not a sharp razor blade edge, but it's fine enough that you can get right in, pick up some glue or scrape away. Sometimes there's some stubborn sort of dirt or accumulated grime on a finish. So anyways, I've got a few thousand of these. It's a box of whatever, like 100 of them. So they should last a while. And the last thing we've got in the box here is this fret press call right here. So this is Solo branded. So here we go. So this is for pressing frets into the fingerboard. It's got a movable joint here. And so this is something you can put in an arbor press or your drill press. And I think that's probably where I'll try it, is in the drill press first. And because it articulates, you know, you're going to be able to seat the fret well. It'll follow the contour. So that's pretty cool. So, you know, this is the actual call itself. And then you have to buy the inserts. So the inserts come in the various fretboard radiuses, right? These are all brass. So, you know, pretty common ones are, you know, 7.25. So there's a pretty vintage Fender radius. So you would fit that into the call, tighten down the set screw. I'll do that. Let's try like a 9.5. That's a pretty common one these days, on like a Fender bass. So we're gonna tighten this down. Okay, make sure it's good and tight. So then you would just, you know, press it down. You can also make a handle. I think they sold a handle for this too, but I'll probably make one out of a dowel. So you can use it by hand or just tap it with a hammer. But I'll try it in the drill press. So I thought that was pretty cool. It wasn't very expensive. And I've really just been putting frets in when I need to replace a fret, just with a small hammer. But I think this will work a little better. So I got most of, you know, 16-inch radius. Most of the popular ones, 12-inch radius, like on a Gibson Les Paul. You got flat as well, so that's pretty cool. There's a 6-inch, not degree, 6-inch. I haven't seen that before. 14, and I think I saw a 20 here too. 10, 20. There you go. So pretty much all the radiuses are covered. I guess you could take this flat one too, and if you really wanted to, you could grind a radius into it, a custom one. But you'll notice that it actually has like a fret groove, if you can see that in there. So that's pretty interesting. Anyhow, that's the haul. Nothing else in the box. I thought it's fun to do these little what's in the box once in a while. So the next time I have an order with some cool stuff, we'll do another video. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.